Put them all up here, and you can tell Mommy what they are.
I don't think she can do them.
What's that one, L?
This one.
L.
Good here.
Very good. Get another one. What's that one?
J.
No, that's an E. For
Yeah.
Ella, an elephant.
Wait, that goes here.
Very
Good job.
good. What's another one?
Ella, how old are you?
Ella, tell Daddy how old you are. Turn it this way. Say, what is that? P.
P.
For panda bear.
She doesn't know how old she is.
Ella, tell Daddy how old you are.
Panda bear.
Hey,
Yeah.
Ella, tell Daddy how old you are. Tell him.
I'm 2.
You're 2? When's your birthday?
June 1st.
June 25th. Very good. Hey, Ella, where do you live?
I'm a New Miami and Grandma.
In New Albany, Indiana.
What's your favorite food? Do you like green beans?
Yeah.
Can you say green beans?
I say green beans.
Where'd you eat the other day with Mommy and Daddy? Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A? Yeah, she ate at Chick-fil-A.
All right, so you put that letter in there. I
What's
bet you
that
can
letter? Say D.
D.
Doggy.
Doggy. E. E. E.
All right, get another one.